Best strategy for Monopoly Go. So here's how you play this game. I will be giving you at least five strategies on how to play this Monopoly Go. Strategy 1: always fix your landmark. During the game, other players have the ability to demolish your landmarks. To assist you finish the board in the scenario, you will need to fix any broken or damaged landmarks and return them to their previous state. You can access the board landmarks by clicking the build button located at the bottom menu. By spending money on landmark upgrades, you can purchase a house that can be put on any random property tile, increasing your net worth. Number 2: do not save money in playing Monopoly Go. So here's the thing: if you keep saving money, too many people will attack you to the point that you'd either have to defend yourself in a prolonged back and forth or risking having most of all your structures shut down and having to rebuild them. Okay. And the more money you have, the more people or, tons of people will come to your place or property. Okay. So that's strategy number 2. Number 3 strategy: try saving the biggest box on your Monopoly album. In short, you should know how to spend your stars or your stickers wisely. Number 4: I know it sounds ridiculous, but most of the cases it would be better if you leave your landmarks at zero, because in that case you can save your shield and there's nothing to attack. Although it contradicts to number 1, but most of the time, if it's possible, just leave it at zero so that people won't attack you and you could save your shields and anything in your Monopoly Go. And last we have here is strategy number 5. Always look for those inactive player. Okay, so if he or she is your friend, or if you just know this person's property, just keep attacking them because that would be a big advantage for you. Okay, so know that this person is inactive or not playing, not playing frequently. Attack this player as possible. So start targeting this player and active players as many times as you can. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.